The increasing gale or storm signal and the amber rainstorm warning signal are in force. At 4 a.m., Typhoon Eagles was centered about 80 kilometers southwest of the Hong Kong Observatory. It is forecast to move northwest or west-northwest at about 20 kilometers per hour towards the vicinity of the coast to the west of the Pearl River estuary. Eagles is now closest to the Hong Kong, skirting within 100 kilometers to the southwest of the Hong Kong Observatory. It is bringing heavy squally showers to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Winds will be higher over the western part of Hong Kong. The increasing gale or storm signal number 9 will remain in force for a period of time in the early morning. Members of the public are reminded to note the latest weather information before departing in the morning. There will be high seas with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Owing to storm surge, some low-lying areas may have flooding or backflow of seawater in the morning. For the weather for today, there will be gale to storm force east to southeasterly winds. Winds will moderate later during the day, cloudy with occasional heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Seas will be high with swells. Temperature will range between 25 and 29 degrees. There will be occasional showers on Thursday, easing off later, and there will be sunny periods in the following couple of days.